In this session, we are going to ask Chatgpt to browse the internet and provide us the response. So I'm going to click browse with Bing option so that Chatgpt could browse the internet for my prompt and provide us the response. The scenario we are going to look at is an automobile sector scenario. Um, the prompt is, we are a leading manufacturer of wiper blades that are used in cars, uh, commercial vehicles, and many other type of automobiles. This particular company has been losing market share in the recent past. What could they do to reverse the trend? So this is the prompt for which we are seeking the help of ChatGPT. This kind of analysis is typically done by business analysis. Now with ChatGPT being available, that job is being done by ChatGPT. So let's see the response. ChatGPT indicates a number of strategies that could be considered by the company to reverse the trend. The first one is market research. Second area is product development. Pricing, of course, is very, very important. Marketing and advertising, you need to spend more to increase the awareness. The organization could go in for some partnerships and collaborations. Customer service and experience enhancement is always a very important one. New kinds of distribution channels could also be looked at by this company. That is essentially relook at the distribution strategy. And last but not the least, sustainability. Okay, so these are broad strategies which any MBA could bring to the table to reverse the trend in profitability. We want more specific responses. So I am changing the prompt. So I'm choosing a particular area and I'm asking ChatGPT what opportunities are available to us in product development area. Product development was one of the inputs in the earlier response. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So here ChatGPT is providing specific responses related to product development area. That is new product introduction or enhancements to existing products. It talks about improved durability, enhanced performance, easier installation, more features, more innovative features, eco-friendly design, smart technology integration. All these are interesting ones, right? When you are looking at these kind of enhancements, it's always important to keep competition in mind. That is also an important area. Okay, remember, we want to reverse the trend when it comes to profitability. Okay, that is, the profitability is going down. We want to be doing all these things and probably more, probably something specific, so that the deteriorating trend is arrested. Now I'm asking ChatGPT to search the internet and summarize the expectations of customers. When profitability is going down, either the sales is coming down or the cost is increasing or both is happening. Many times the organization could be losing its touch with customers. The customers could be expecting newer types of features, newer products, while the company is still selling legacy products and legacy solutions. So as a business analyst, it is always important to understand what the customers want, how the market is changing. Those things should be captured by business analysts so that the organization could correct itself. So here I'm asking ChatGPT to search the internet. It is for this reason that we activated the plugin. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Okay, so the plugin is getting activated. It is browsing the web. It is searching for that specific keyword, right? It is using Bing. Bing is a popular browser. With the arrival of ChatGPT, Bing is trying to gain some market share at the expense of Google. Still, Google is the #1 search engine. It is trying to read the content. Okay, customer reviews of wiper blades. That is the keyword that ChatGPT is using. If you noticed, there was some failure. ChatGPT is unable to click the link. That could happen, but it's still continuing. Reading content fail. It's unable to read the content. That could also happen, but ChatGPT is continuing the process. It's trying to read other links and summarize the findings for us. See, it is trying to click links, read the content. In few areas, it is not so successful. That is, it is not able to click the link, or it's not able to read the content, or both. But ChatGPT continues the process of clicking the link, reading the content, and here we have the summary. We also get the message that the browsing is finished. So when it comes to windshield wiper blades, customer generally expect the following, right? There are some 7 areas, starting with performance, durability, maintenance. 6 areas, not 7. I'm sorry about it. We also get the message, an error message. Remember, it was getting errors while trying to click the link and read the contents from those links. So let's click regenerate response and see the kind of response we get. It's going through the process once again. Okay, customer expectations of wiper blades. That's the keyword that ChatGPT is searching in Bing. It's clicking links, trying to read the content. It's going through the process again. Let's see if there are any errors. Hopefully it may not happen this time. It's reading content. So far there are no errors. This time ChatGPT is searching for a different set of keywords. What do customers expect from wiper blades? It was different in the earlier instance, right? So ChatGPT is improvising. When I clicked regenerate response, ChatGPT is searching for a different set of keywords. That's good, right? You can always click regenerate response and get a different response, right? This time around, there are no errors. ChatGPT is able to click the links and read the content. That did not happen in the earlier instance. So let's see the kind of response we have got. This time also we have got 6. No, this time it is 7. 7 insights. Sorry, not even 7. 8 insights. Is it going to be more? Okay, 8 insights, 8 areas that this organization could consider to address product area, right? Quality of performance, correct fit, type of wiper blades. Look at the superscript, number 1 appearing in a few places. It stands for, or it indicates the reference. If ChatGPT has provided some information here, through that superscript, ChatGPT is providing us the reference from which this particular set of information was obtained. That is very useful, right? So ChatGPT is also asking, was this response better or worse? I feel it is better, so I'm going to click better. But if you see, we still got the response in red, towards the end, which means ChatGPT feels some mistake happened. If you really see this plugin for browsing the internet, I feel is still in its experimental stages. I'm recording this towards the end of May. So maybe in future, this could change. So let's continue the process. We will continue with other prompts and see the kind of response we get from ChatGPT. But this is very useful, right? ChatGPT is able to browse the internet, give us the response, and it even provides us the reference. I'm sure that this whole process will improve a lot in future. So I'm asking the next set of response, next set of prompts. What opportunities are there in the marketing area to reverse the decline in the market share? This time I'm not asking ChatGPT to browse the internet. Okay, with whatever information it has already got, with whatever information it has learned, ChatGPT is providing the 9 set of opportunities that could be considered by the business analyst or the organization. We got a lot of information so far. I want to summarize all of these responses, whatever we have discussed so far in this thread, in the form of a PowerPoint presentation. Business analysts always summarize the information in the form of a PowerPoint, right? So that it could be presented to the management or the clients. So I'm asking ChatGPT to summarize the response to this thread in the form of a PowerPoint presentation. So let's see the response we get from Chatgpt. Chatgpt is unable to provide the slides that we use in slide deck, that is the PowerPoint presentation. However, it is providing us the information that we could use in different slides. It's even numbering the slides. It is providing us the title of the slide. It is providing the bullet points that we could have in each of the slides. That's good enough for me. If ChatGPT is able to provide in the form of a PowerPoint, that would have been like icing on the cake, but still this is very useful. I'm sure in future ChatGPT will provide a PowerPoint downloadable file. I'm sure it'll happen. It's not there now, which is May 2023. So let's continue, because I want to provide few more prompts and get some additional responses. If I'm a lead consultant with BCG, that is a leading management consulting firm, how would I structure this presentation? See, I'm introducing role play here. Already ChatGPT is playing the role of a business analyst. I did not use that particular set of words. The set of words I'm referring to is you play the role of a business analyst and then provide the response. I did not use those words. But now I am asking ChatGPT to play a very specific role. If I am the lead consultant with BCG, how would I structure the presentation? That is as good as saying, assume that you are a consultant with BCG and restructure the presentation, right? That's one and the same, right? So let's see the response here. So ChatGPT is bringing the element of MECE principle, mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. This is often used in management consulting, more so by consultants from Boston Consulting Group. Remember, ChatGPT correctly identified or correctly recognized BCG as Boston Consulting Group. I did not expand BCG, nor did I say BCG is a management consulting firm. It's able to understand the context and get us the details. Okay, now we've got the information. I want to create some matrices. Business analysts love to use a lot of matrices in their presentation. 2 by 2, 3 by 3 matrix, 2 rows by 2 columns, 3 rows by 3 columns. So now that I have brought in the element of BCG, I really want to incorporate some matrices. So that's what I'm asking ChatGPT now. Let's see if GPT is able to give us some inputs. I want ChatGPT to create a matrix for me. Rather, what it does is it provides the types of matrices I, as a business analyst, could use in my presentation, right? Starting with BCG matrix, SWOT analysis, value chain analysis, Porter's 5 forces. These are different types of matrices I could use. I want ChatGPT to create a matrix for me. So my question is, how would you construct a BCG matrix for this scenario? The scenario is a company experiencing a decline in profitability. Okay, a BCG matrix typically contains stars, cash cows, question marks, and dogs. Which of the products are stars? Which of the products are cash cows? Which of the products are question marks? And which of the products are dogs? This is based on market share and market growth. So market share and market growth are plotted in the form of a 2 by 2 matrix. There we indicate the different product lines. So visually, just by looking at the visual, you can understand which product line is suited for expansion, which product line should head towards an end of life scenario, right? So BCG has given details of the matrix. I'm happy with it, but I want GPT to construct a matrix. That is my ask. I want ChatGPT to create a matrix for me. I'm not happy with the details ChatGPT has provided. But I must also understand that I have not provided all the information needed to construct a BCG matrix. In the scenario that I introduced, I merely mentioned that a particular company is experiencing a decline in profitability. I did not mention the different product lines that is contributing to the decline in profitability, or for that matter, different product lines that exist in the company. Only when that information is made available to the ChatGPT, the ChatGPT can create a matrix. So I'm asking ChatGPT to make necessary assumptions and create a matrix. So ChatGPT creates a hypothetical situation. It creates different types of wiper blades so that this BCG matrix could be constructed. And it also assigns these four wiper blades to the different possibilities in the BCG matrix. Okay, I'm still not happy. I want this to be shown as a matrix, right? ChatGPT says it's a text model. It is unable to create visual graphics or images directly. It explains how to construct a 2 by 2 matrix. I'm changing the prompt again. Okay, can you show this as a table? Right? Probably ChatGPT did not understand the matrix or the creation of matrix. When I asked, can this be shown as a table? ChatGPT is able to create the matrix. This is the table, this is the matrix, right? So this is good enough for me, right? So you see, I went through a range of prompts, stayed patient in the process, used different set of prompts, used different scenarios so that I could get varied and comprehensive response. I could use all of this information in creating a wonderful deck or a PowerPoint presentation to explore solutions to my problem at hand.